what is the concept of repatriation and how does it apply to me? I was disturbed by colonialism. I was disturbed by apartheid. My repatriation is to go back home and ask my grandfathers, their fathers, how did we express and manifest our spirituality before we were disturbed by Christian colonialism and oppression? Now, my sense of my understanding of repatriation as an African Xhosa born and bred Rasta is I have to now go back to what did the Xhosa do? What was the Xhosa way of life and what was the Xhosa philosophy about spirituality, and how do I now take this knowledge and integrate myself first with my immediate society, and then how do I then open up for those now who are coming from outside to learn about African cultures and tradition?